All right. Let's talk about trading today and yesterday. Yesterday I didn't do too much, but I still did trade. Um, talk about the overall market, what happened with this election, and what's the plan? What's going on? So yesterday I did try a couple stocks. Let me show you right here. Oops. Show you right here. Go trade. Sorry, I have a runny nose for some reason. Nope, not this one. Trades. Here we go. So got stopped on my Reddit trade. Reddit kind of pisses me off. Um, I literally got stopped out at 109, and then it went 20 cents lower, or what was it low? Okay, 30 cents lower. My entry was 107. I don't know why I just didn't have it for break even, and it goes up like since when I got stopped out, it goes up. It's just said it closes it up 10, 11%, which sucks, but it's all right. Looks like it's slowing down, so we'll see about that one. I'm in WGS still. It's the only position I have so far. It is like tightening up a little bit. Hopefully, the thing can break out, add some more to my position. But let's go back to the trades that I took yesterday in these past couple of days. These trades, I don't think I really should be touching these. I don't really have anything good for it. So for the fourth, I took one trade in VDX. I actually I actually got screwed over on this one. Or was it this one? No, it was this one. I shouldn't have lost this much. My risk was a lot. No, wrong trade, wrong trade, wrong trade. So this one I shorted. Shorted the semiconductors early in the morning this day specifically. It looked pretty weak in the morning, and then so did Nvidia. It was under the 20-day here. So I decided to short it just to see what was gonna happen. Got stopped out. I took some down here, and then I got stopped out for up here, and then it just took off. So got out of that trade. What else? So that was Monday. This is Tuesday. Tuesday I took two trades. I think it was it Futu that I got stopped out on pretty bad? No, that was with DJT. No, it was Futu. Yeah, it was this one. So Futu, just let me just relax. I bought it here in the morning. I think the 5 minute chart was like the high of the 5 minute. Right. So I bought it in the morning and I want to go set my stop in. I'm telling you, I'm one of the best at buying the highs on these stupid stocks. I swear I am. And getting the lows. I'm just so good at these. It's just fantastic. But so I bought it here at 103. As I was setting my stop, I accidentally sold my stock. So I had to re-get in. I had to get in again, and I was like, I caught the top. Look at the high of this candle, 103.6. My entry was I think 103.61. I mean, it was just like I top ticked it on the buys. And then I had it for the low of this candle where my stop is. But actually, no, I'm lying. I had it at 102. I wanted to get rid of it early because I thought, if this is going to do something, it's going to be strong. It's going to break out. It's not even going to come back and test it. So I had it at 102. And I got slipped all the way down to 106. 101 point, sorry, 101.7. I got slipped 30 cents on this thing. Um, yeah, pretty brutal. Pretty brutal. And the next candle goes back up. I mean, it just pissed me off that day. But not that big of a loss. Could have been smaller, but that's what it is. And then DJT, I tried this one yesterday for a bounce. Kind of a bounce. Actually, the bounce would have been on Monday. I missed the bounce Monday, and I was gonna try to buy it leading up to the election. Um, should have been. Which had my average right around here on 38.2 ish. And once it broke lower than that, I was like, all right, let me get out. sold some up here, and then broke. Once it broke down, I was like, all right, let me get out. And they had this crazy flush here that I didn't buy the dip on. I was thinking about it, but I was like, I don't know. The election's coming. It was that day, and I was like, well, this is uh this is gonna get pretty scary. So in terms of like the stock and my risk and all that stuff. So I mean, the low of this candle was 32.92. 31.45 was a low. So 31.45. Kind of coincides with this post. I mean, this after hours. But once the electoral college started coming out, and uh, they were saying signals to Trump. I mean, it was pretty nuts. I had 500 shares at around 38, but I would have got screwed over on these dips here. So took a $90 loss, but it is what it is. I couldn't buy this move at all. I saw it when it was right here on 35. I saw it. I mean, I just couldn't do anything about it because I wasn't at home. I was at work. So that's that. And then today I took a couple trades. I took a TSLT long. Let me see if I can get a picture for you guys. Here we go. All right, no screenshot here. Just a quick one. Just a quick one. Cool. So this is just a little quick one. So I bought it in the morning at around 2075, 2070ish, and then I went all the way up to 2021.2, and then I saw it come under this break down this VWAP, and I thought, wow, this could be a good short, like a quick short for like a mean reversion type of thing. Didn't do it, didn't touch it at all, but sold the rest of my shares here, uh, and then I just sat it out. Was debating about buying on the bounce, but I don't know. I just uh, I've never traded an election. Um, I have no idea what I could have done. I mean, there was nothing really for me. There was a lot of opportunity, but I just didn't take it. Um, I was just, I just didn't have a plan. There was nothing I could have done. I didn't have a plan. I didn't know. I've never traded an election. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it was sell the news, if it was uh market rally. I mean, I don't know. I couldn't tell you. So that's why I didn't really do much. That's why I didn't short. I didn't buy the bounce. But yeah, I almost did that to MSTR. So MSTR, because I saw crypto and then a lot of other stocks that are related to that uh, go nuts last night or this morning. But anyways, so here in the morning, as it was in a range, I was looking at MSTU, which is a two times leverage version of it. And I thought to myself, I should buy this on the dip to the 10-day moving average at 74, 74-ish, wherever, yeah, 74, 75-ish. I was like, well, let me put out an order, and then if it hits, it hits. But and it's a little risk. It's low risk. I can risk however much I want, because I mean, if it breaks under 74, it's just like, okay, well, that's not gonna work. It's under the 10-day moving average. But anyways, I was gonna have an order out here. I was just like buying the dip, buying the bounce off this 10-day moving average. Didn't execute it though, but I was really really close to doing it. But who cares? It doesn't matter. It didn't happen. But yeah. So I almost bought MSTR, and the other stock that I did buy today was DPST. I got screwed over on this one, to be honest with you. I mean, I just screwed myself over. That's pretty much all that happened. I'll show you guys right now. Let's see. I'll go look up a screenshot. Just, I mean, just really stupid. I saw it on my scanner this morning, and I thought, well, the banks, they really love Trump. So I should buy DPST out in the morning, or buy it as it's breaking out. But that wasn't the case, and I didn't do that. So here we go. So as you can see here, I entered really late. I just let it run within the first like 2 minutes. I just let it run. Couldn't even get. Well, I didn't even try to get in, and I got in here at like 142 ish, and then I somehow just let it my stop was way down here, and I raised it up. I don't know for what reason. I think because I took the loss on Tesla already. I was like, well, I don't want to lose any more. But yeah, I screwed this one up. Now it's a whole $10 higher, but it is what it is. I mean, I screwed this one up. Again, what's new? I always screw these trades up. This has a lot to run though. I'm hoping this can let's see, you can see in like 2016 when he got elected, it did pretty well. Pretty well. When he first initially got elected. So, I mean, on the weekly, it looks pretty good too. But, yeah, so that's DPST, another trade I was looking at. And then EBS, this is after hours. This is the earnings. Wolf, I missed Wolf. Same thing, like similar to Coin and NST. Coin, missed Coin as well. MSTR, missed all those crypto related names. Lumen. Lumen, I'm surprised this one is gone. I'm really surprised. Really surprised. LAU, pretty weak. MSTR, nice bounce. I really just want these things to just to consolidate. Like another week. Just give me a chance to enter, please. That's all I want. That's all I want. Glow, finally getting over the 10-day, recovering off the 20, near the 20-ish, bouncing. Caught some bits. Rail, I should take this one off. I don't really think it's, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just going to remove it. I don't really like it. UNFI, this one also trades horribly. It's also under 5 ADR, so that one's out. IONQ, was looking at this one. Kind of mixed reviews on this thing. I mean, it was just an absolute champion for these past couple of weeks. Oops. These past couple of weeks. And the earnings came out, and they got future guidance, growth, and I don't know if it was a $10 billion contract or something of that sort. But yeah, kind of mixed reviews. We'll see how it reacts tomorrow. Root looked like it was breaking out today. It actually did break out today, but it failed. So VST catching a bid. All these nuclear power plants catching a bid. Peloton waiting for this one to break out of this little range here. Twilio keeps on chugging. SRRK. I'm kind of sick and tired of this thing. I've had it here for a while. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Watch as I say that. I'm gonna take it off my watch list and it's gonna go freaking crazy. Reddit. I talked about that one already. Caper, CAPR. LIC kind of weak. So ALAB. Wow. Let's gap down. It's pretty weak in the morning. And it just recovered all the way back. Very interesting. Looks like these semiconductors are hot again. I didn't even see this earlier. I didn't see it earlier when I was looking at these. Wow. What happened here? Oh, the camera there in earnings. This was one of my favorite looking plays leading into the breakout for the semiconductors, but this thing looks really weak, so I'm not gonna touch it. Where's ALAB? ALAB. I took it even. I even took it off my watch list, or I don't even know if I put it on in the first place. I forgot when I was buying it. I don't even know if I ever bought it. To be honest with you, I might be lying. But anyways, Wolf might be a continuation short tomorrow. We'll see. SSR might be on. But yeah, we'll see about this market though. I'm really have no idea which way this is gonna go. We can either consolidate and take off, or yeah. Well, I missed a lot though. Um, Rocket Lab, missed this one. Just missing everything. Missing everything. But it's all good. Let's look at the 1 month gainers chart real quick, or list. Sorry, DJTs. Just a huge sell off today. Saw someone make $2.5 million on this thing. Absolutely nuts. I think that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna take a look at these leaders real quick. See which ones are worth taking a part of. Wow. Wow. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, these crypto names are really strong. SMR. Yeah, I need this one to pull back and consolidate and make a nicer flag. Uh, Need to do it big time. Big time. I need to get into some of these. Wow, lemonade. Holy moly, I missed this. It actually sped up. It used to be really, really slow. We'll see if it lasts. I mean, it looks similar here. I was looking at it back then. See if it can hold. Sazzle, really nice as well. Well, I wouldn't say like it's a great flag setup, but yeah, they're looking good. They have earnings tomorrow, so kind of scared to touch that. Wolf, great. Yeah, all these miners are looking pretty good. App, what an absolute freaking. I mean, I was looking at this thing down here. Insane. 150% move almost. Wow. Absolutely nuts. Insane in the membrane. Yeah, that's about it. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Didn't take any opportunities. Didn't really do much, but yeah. I mean, I guess that's that. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.